We're here. I'm here today to do my July unboxing from Owlcrate. Here is what the box looks like, and you open it up and you have all these goodies inside. The first thing I'm seeing is the card. I don't want to spoil myself, and this theme is friendship. The first thing I'm seeing is the pepper pots, which I think goes with the book. So it's a very cute pin, and that will go in my bag. And I have all this fun stuff. And then the next thing I'm seeing is a card. It's called the Postcard Party. Enter to win a 3-month subscription. If you send them a postcard at this date, at this place, they will put you in a drawing, and if you win, you will get a 3-month subscription. The first thing I'm seeing is super awesome postcards. Get ready to be awed, and it's postcards of various, so this is great, helpful if you're going to send them it. Probably will now that I have postcards to send, and the designs are really, really cool. I'll show you a few of them, and they're unique, so they're kind of like different. And come on, who doesn't love to tell people about their adventures? So I'm really excited about that. The next thing I'm seeing is a show pony thing, and it says "Until the Very End," which I think I know what this book is, and I'm really, really excited. And then we have Book Buddies, the Chatty Cats, and you put them on and you write your thoughts, which is really cool. And the book is The Night We Said Yes by Lauren Gibraltar. We have a free book plate and a free bookmark. I actually read this month, and I really, really enjoyed it. So I'm definitely going to keep this book because it is signed. Yeah, and I'm very, very excited. We also got a free bookmark and a free book plate. I am very excited with this. I was so bummed when I got it from my library and didn't buy it, but now I don't have to worry about it. And I will definitely be rereading this book. So I give this book a success. I love the jewelry that came with it. I loved everything with it. I was very, very impressed with this box, and I cannot wait to see what happens in the next few months with this subscription. As always, I say it's really worth the money. And you have a free bookmark to go with it. But yeah, so those are my thoughts on the July box from Owlcrate. Yeah. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you what the book is about because I had already read it, so I knew it. But this book follows a character named Ella and Matt, and they met a year ago. And they kind of had this night where they did a bunch of crazy things, and it was called The Night That They Said Yes. And then Matt kind of went away, and, you know, they broke up and he moved away. And Ella didn't know what happened to him. And then a year later he came back, and Matt's trying to recreate their night that they said yes. And it's told from alternating things from present and past, and it kind of follows both sides of it. I really, really, really love this book. I bought it. I got it from my library, so I didn't actually buy it, but I loved it. So now I have an excuse to read this. Maybe I'll reread this at the end of the summer just because I have it. But I'm really, really happy that this was the box. I love all the things from it. It was such a good book. And I know that the next theme is mystery. So I'm going to avoid buying any mystery books the best that I can and just read what I have on my shelves. But yeah, so this again was a really, really good box. I loved everything that came with it. I knew the minute I saw this little pin that what the book was because I had read the book, so I knew what it was. But yeah, it was super, super, super amazing box. Thank you very much, Owlcrate. And I will definitely be sending them a postcard to hopefully get a free 3-month subscription. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a nice day. As always, comment and like below. Let me know if you guys are getting your Owlcrate subscriptions and all that fun stuff. Comment and like my Facebook page down below and tell me if you guys liked the box as much as I did. Or if you've read The Night We Said Yes, what did you guys think of it? I gave it 4.5 stars. This is a really, really strong contemporary. And I know in August we're getting Matt's story. This book was told from Ella's perspective, and the e-novella is going to be Matt's story. So yeah, I'm definitely going to reread this book probably before I read Matt's story, but I really, 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 really thoroughly enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a nice day, and bye.